Hi, welcome back. We're on the product Patio, and today we're talking about look pivot bindings, which is part of the challenge of working in a ski shop. You got a lot of great gear. You got a wall full of skis, wall full of boots, long parade of demo boards, all kinds of bindings. Your challenge is to create kind of a unique story about each brand, and that's tough to do sometimes. Not with Look. Look has some unique technology which really delivers a unique experience. And that's, I think, your biggest challenge working with your customers through the sale. So what makes a Look pivot unique, different, and something that every freestyle skier wants? Ever watch the X Games, the Olympics, and watch the mogul, half pipe, slope style, any of the freestyle events? It seems like everybody's on a Look pivot binding. And why is that? Some real unique features. We're going to go with them real quickly here. First, we'll go through the lineup. Got the Pivot 12 at $279, Pivot 14 at $329. Sorry, they jumped on a line there on me. And the Pivot 15 at $399. We also do the Pivot 18 at $399. So what makes a pivot binding unique? First of all, shorter mounting section. You think about a boot in the system and screwing the heel and everything, you're kind of freezing this part of the ski from really flexing a lot. You put a heel piece back here like a traditional step-in, it really locks up an additional 6 to 8 inches of the ski in the tail section, which is crucial for finishing that turn and really flexing smoothly. Whereas in a pivot, you're mounted underneath the boot, which really allows that ski to flex much more naturally. The other thing is boot to binding contact. So on a pivot, you've got contact in the toe piece, and you've got in the turntable, in the side and back. So you've got more points of contact. 5 in the 18 and the 15, 7 in the 12. So you have a much tighter boot to ski connection. There's a thing called roll coupling, where you lock the ski down, put the boot in the system, and you measure how much deflection you can generate in the system. With a boot in a Look pivot, you have a tighter boot to ski connection. See that real positive connection there. Next is the pivot itself, this rotating turntable. The function of this is to allow a smoother release. Because when you think about it, when your boot's in the system and it's going through that anti-shock phase, the boot's moving back and forth in the toe, but back here in the heel, it's also, there's friction building up in a fixed heel system. With the turntable, it allows for a smoother transition from side to side and a smoother release, should that be necessary, under your tibial axis. Then you also have a lighter weight system because you've got lower swing weight. Lower swing weight because you have, again, the weight under your boot, not out here at the extremity. So the swing weight of the system is much lighter weight. So if rotating, doing spins, tricks like freestyle skiers do is an important part of your ski arsenal, you'll feel lighter weight, more nimble and agile in a Look pivot. We also have our vertical toe release. Every Look toe piece has a straight, true vertical toe release, which means when you're in the system, that backward twisting fall, you can come up out of the system without making the back heel move back. If you think about what's going on in that kind of release, you're very rarely generating backward heel pressure. So all of our toes have that upper toe release. Grip walk compatible, so you have all compatibility, no issues there. And again, in a 12, 14, 15, and 18 din, the 15 and 18 have our one-piece metal toe housing, and the 14 and 12 have our composite composite housing. A lot of brake widths, he said, from 75 on up. So no matter what kind of ski you're putting it on, you can always assure the right match up there. So that's a quick little recap. Again, the price points, $279, $329, $399. Got any questions? Shoot me an email, text, give me a call. Love to hear from you. But that's the Look pivot lineup for 2021. Thanks again. See you in the store.